All right, our first one comes from Margarita Valencia on YouTube saying, hey, I got my C31 work permit and my notice letter. Unfortunately, my lawyer disappeared and left myself. I'm adjustment of status, but I will need help for the advice of my interview. What can you give me?
I can give you a consultation. Call 1-800-529-5465.
Joanna Ambitious Powell on Facebook. When completing an affidavit of support, do you use the adjusted gross income or the total income from the 1040 form?
The adjusted gross income.
Sue Andy on YouTube. I got my EAD January 7th and I still haven't gotten my SSN. Should I go to the office and apply or should I wait?
Yeah, go to the office and apply. Why not?
Sharna Williams on YouTube. For immigrant parents here who have kids back home, is there anything in Biden's proposal that can help their kids?
Yes, they're going to speed up those cases if the applications have already been filed. They're going to fix those backlogs. That's why I'm saying to everybody, file now, because what has been in the past, the proposals in the past are, we're going to clean up the backlogs, but then you can't file for your kids, you can't file for your brothers, you can't file for your married children. So they're going to clean up the backlogs and then change all the categories around and say you can't do it anymore. So get your application in. My 2 cents.
Cool. Liz Samuels on YouTube. Is the paper processing for those children whose parents applied for their permanent residency in the U.S.?
Yeah, they're processing.
Darsh Singh on YouTube. A couple weeks ago, I applied for a work permit with a humanitarian reason under the U visa. I asked my attorney. He said I can't apply until it gets deferred action or approved. Is this true?
You can apply 180 days after you filed for a U visa if you can show humanitarian reasons why you need a work permit. After your U visa gets approved, which takes years and years, you can just apply for a work permit. You don't have to show humanitarian reasons. But you can apply. It's discretionary whether you get it or not, but you should absolutely try because U visas are taking so long.
Okay, Deborah Gibson on YouTube. I applied for a VAWA in 2018. They told me only work permits from 2020 are being renewed. I was asked to do a new biometric test. How long before my VAWA case is approved?
I don't know when your VAWA will be approved. I don't know anything about your case, so you need to have a consultation.
Frank Ugoji on YouTube. How long does it take to get a VAWA approved for the eventual insurance of a green card?
How long? It's about 2 years these days. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.